Hey everybody, John Peterson here, back with another edition of Which One Works. In this series, I'm taking a look at a few photographs of my own and talking you through my thought processes and my own critiques of which one works and why, or which one doesn't work and why I don't think it does work for me. And again, this is my opinion as I critique my own photographs. All right, let's jump into another shot from the Oregon coast. This one's down in Bandon, and this is a shot of Face Rock right offshore of Bandon Beach. And as you can see, it kind of looks like a face. So that's pretty awesome. I got a great sun star, got a great reflection. Got some seagulls on the rocks. I have this beautiful color throughout the image. Overall, things look nice. Shouldn't have too many complaints. But here's my little nitpickety thing with this. Because that is a face, it's a face rock. It's a very big, dark object, but more often, or more so, focus on the concept of being a face. Which way is that face looking? It's looking to the right. Where is that face positioned? It's on the right side of the frame. So in essence, it's looking out of the frame, and it has the potential to lead the viewer to quickly exit this image instead of staying within the image. Normally, there's this suggestion that when you're photographing people, animals, or even things that are in motion, runners, cars, airplanes, that kind of stuff, you want the subject to be pointed to be and positioned in the frame to have more open space so you can envision them traveling through the frame of the image. So ideally, I would love to see the face on the left-hand side of this frame looking to the right. So as an example, there's this. Now the face is positioned on the left-hand side of the frame, not looking out of the image. It's looking into the majority of the image. So from a positioning perspective, I like this better. I like the face, or any face, kind of on one side of the frame looking into the rest of the image. The thing that bothers me with this particular image, though, is look at how close this is to the edge of the frame. This is a big, dark object. It has a lot of visual weight. And to have it that close to the frame adds a little bit of tension to the image. And tension's not something that I really want in a calm, serene sunset image. I don't want to introduce tension. And so this particular shot, even though this is positioned where I would prefer it in the frame, this little bit of tension over here I don't like, and it's a little bit upsetting. It feels crowded. It feels to me. Other things about this shot I really do like. There's a very subtle leading line all the way through here. Can you see that comes all the way out to here, to this gap in the rocks to the sun? So this is a beautiful aspect of this photograph. I've got enough space on this side because, these rocks aren't as big. They're not as visually imposing. And this is enough space for me. However, this is not enough space for me. So if we jump back to the first shot, see how much space I have, how much room I have for that face to breathe? So between these two shots, although this is not positioned exactly the way I want it, this is the one that works for me more than this one. It's that little bit of tension that just drives me nuts and doesn't really work for me. So I'm going to have to go with this one for this episode of Which One Works. So again, if you have any questions, comments, I'd love to hear your opinions down below. Leave me a comment, drop me a note, and stay tuned. I'll come back with more. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.